Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be experimenting with some hair paint because my hair is really faded, but I don't feel like dyeing it yet. So I just figure I could do hair paint. The hair paint will work if your hair is dyed or it's not dyed. Mine just so happens to be dyed, but it'll show up even if your hair is black. You will see some color popping today. So first things first, I gotta get this wash and go together. So y'all, I'm gonna go to brunch. I am an avid brunch lover and I'm just preparing because my hair's not done, and if my hair's not done, I'm not going to brunch. So I got to get this hair done. So I do want to say thank you to Curlsmith for sponsoring this video, and I'm gonna go ahead and get into it. So I did freshly wash and deep condition my hair, and I rinsed all of that out. Do y'all see how faded my hair is? Like, if you know, you know. But this is a great in-between pick me up. Ooh, the curls, the curls. Y'all see me with this big towel because I don't want everything to get wet, especially with my hair. I don't want the color to get on my shirt or my shoulders or anything, so I'm using a microfiber towel, which is good for your hair. So first thing I'm gonna do is apply a leave-in because, honey, it's about that season. I'm so excited to be back outside, y'all. Y'all have no idea. Brunch is my favorite activity. One of them, other than traveling. So yeah, I'm just gonna take some water, spray it, because y'all know I do my wash and goes on soaking wet hair. Got to. Then I'm going in with the weightless air dry cream. This bad boy right here, it is a leave-in, but it's a light leave-in. You don't need a ton. So when applying this product, the product is basically a gel, like the color that I'm talking about. And I'm trying orange. I'm so excited. Like, I used to have my hair orange. It's been a while and I'm happy to revisit it. Add a little more. But what I'm getting in right now is my base of moisture, because moisturized hair, better curls, better everything. And I'm adding what? More water. Again, this is not a heavy product, which is great. Like, I like to pair this product when I'm gonna be using more than 2 products because it doesn't flake on me. It's moisturizing and it's light, so I don't feel bad for using more than 2 products. I'm gonna make sure you get it all the way down to the ends. So the next thing I'm going in with is the Bouncy Strength Volume Foam. So I usually don't use foams on wash and goes, but I just feel like it could be a great idea. So I'm just gonna pump that in my hand and add it to my hair. This foam has protein in it, and if y'all know, if y'all be listening to me, I love protein for my high porosity hair. It does it for me. I'm just gonna go ahead and apply some more water. I'm going water, leave-in, foam, and then at the end, I'm gonna do the gel and make this hair orange. All right, y'all, so what I'm gonna do is do the same thing to these 2 sections, and then I'm gonna come back and show y'all the star of the show. My hair over here laying before I even applied the gel. I would like to thank the mousse for that. So I'm gonna go ahead and section my hair. Boom. You already know how this go. And like I said, I've applied the leave-in and the mousse to my hair. So y'all know I'm finna add some more water, right? All right, y'all, so the star of the show, I know y'all see it, so I'm going copper. It's vegan, y'all. I know a lot of times you guys ask me like, oh, will that semi-permanent color work on my hair? A lot of times it won't unless your hair is already dyed, but because this is just depositing color on top of your hair, no matter what color your hair is, it's still gonna work. And it's transfer resistant, and you don't need no gloves to apply it. I'm gonna test it out for sure, but you don't need no gloves. And it washes out in 1 rinse, so you good to go. Here I go. If I didn't mention this already, it's a gel, so that's why I haven't applied a gel yet. It's giving rich. Now you do have to apply a decent amount to get the color to go on, but y'all, I'm applying orange over red, and if y'all know, then y'all know that orange is a lighter color than red, so the fact that it's showing up means a lot. Just really trying to make sure it deposits on my hair, but I'm liking the way the color looks. If this can work over red hair, Y'all shouldn't have no problem getting it to work over the other colors. Now look at that color deposit. I'm just separating it to make sure I get all the color all over my hair. It's definitely giving copper, y'all. So this is the first section. What do you guys think? It's showing up really, really well, and it's not drying my hair out. So I'm actually a little shook about that. You know what I'm saying? Oh, it looks good. Okay, so I'm gonna continue the same process on the rest of my hair, and we're gonna see what we looking like. We are gonna see. Also, it's on my hands. We'll see how well it comes off my hands. I'm really using the praying hands method to really work the product into my hair so I get the best color turnout. And then don't forget to divide and conquer so you make sure you get every single strand. And it's definitely giving me definition as a good gel should. And I'm shook that it's not drying even though it's depositing this color in my hair. Y'all, this is a great alternative if you don't want to dye your hair but you want the color. Great alternative. Because you don't have to risk damage to get that nice color payoff, and then when you're tired of it, just rinse it out. So here we have it, folks. This is my color that I have in my hair right now, and then this is it with the gel, and obviously it's wet, so can't wait to see what it looks like when it dries. But that's the gel, and this is my color. It's going right on over the red. You can't see the red under it at all. It's beautiful. What I'm noticing is that the product layers really, really well. I'm adding more and more to get it to cover up, and it's not giving me that crunchy feeling. Instead, it's just getting more pigmented. My hair is still wet and it's already giving. Like, I really, really, really love this color. It looks really good. I also want to mention you have options. I wanted to do orange. There's also turquoise, ruby, gold one, and rose gold. So I'm done applying the temporary color. And this is what I'm looking like. I think it's looking really, really good. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and dry my hair, and I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna show y'all my final results. But I like this color, y'all. I think it complements my skin tone. All right, so I'm back, you guys, and this is how the color turned out. It's really, really pigmented. It looks like I really dyed my hair this color. And it's not giving like sticky or anything like that. And I think it looks really, really good. And I know I'm giving brunch vibes right now. Look at the rings, okay? Initial rings. And the dress, it kind of is matching my hair, but in a good way. It's a little vibe. I think it turned out so cute. I'm gonna show you guys the back and everything. Give you a little turn around. Turn around. Can I even complete spinning? Yeah, I can. And I think it looks really, really good. Ooh, the color is all the way there. And it's looking good. So the color does come off your hands, and it was really, really easy to get off. Honestly, just some hot water, and you can wash your hands, that works too. But honestly, hot water will get it off your hands. That's freaking lit. But yeah, I really like it. I'm probably gonna go to brunch and, you know, live it up with this. This will last me at least a week. That's how I'm feeling. I can usually tell how long it's gonna last based on how my hair is actually feeling. And it's giving a lot of definition, which means it'll get bigger over the days and it'll look cute. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoy the way that this turned out, the whole fit, the serving, the giving. And I wanna say thank you to Curlsmith again for sponsoring this video, because this hair makeup is the truth. I just don't know any other way to put it, you know. I'm gonna come a little closer. Bye, y'all.